this would be the autumn of 1957, the beginning of my senior year at Harvard. I found a notice that a professor from Stanford by the name of Anthony Siegman would be visiting Harvard and was anxious to talk with any seniors in engineering who might consider Stanford as a place for graduate education. So I went to the meeting, and it must have been effective because I decided to apply to Stanford. I first got an acceptance letter from Stanford without any financial assistance, and so I wrote a letter to Tony, and I asked him if there's any way I could get some financial assistance. And the next thing I knew, I had a letter arriving with an offer of a research assistantship. I eventually introduced a course, and my recollection is that Tony sat in and was a big supporter of allowing me to teach this course even though I wasn't a faculty member. So Tony had a big impact on the really early phases of my career.
I first met Tony Siegman when I was a graduate student at the University of Heidelberg. He gave some talks and he told me about Stanford University in California, and that whetted my appetite, so I ended up moving to Stanford. He had really put Stanford on the map in the field of lasers. He was always talking about intriguing things one can do, and I found it fun to interact with him. When his book Lasers appeared, that was really a Bible for laser scientists. I still have it. I keep my copy as precious. I think in contrast to many other researchers in that field, I was always struck by the fact that he did very simple experiments that were interesting, not because they were of mind-boggling complexity, but because they emphasized some neat idea. Tony Siegman was my hero.